Hey there, today we got an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine this. You set up a neat RAID1 system on 2 HDDs, encrypted them, and everything seemed fine. But after a reboot, those HDDs are now making a racket like they're constantly in use. What's going on here? The solution to this noisy conundrum lies in the first resync of the mdadm device. When a new RAID device is initialized, mdadm kicks off a full synchronization between the disks to ensure data consistency. This operation reads data on both disks to make sure they mirror each other perfectly. It's quite normal, but can be loud on HDDs due to the stress it puts on them. Now, let's delve into a handy command to check the progress and reading speed of the resync operation. Simply run watch in 1cat procmdstat in your terminal. This will give you real-time updates on how the synchronization is coming along. To tweak the speed of the resync operation, you can adjust the min and max limits using the following commands. Setting these values can help optimize the process based on your disk speed capabilities. And if you ever need to pause the resync operation temporarily, the echo idle sysblock_action command comes to the rescue. Replace X with your specific ND device to halt the syncing until you're ready to resume. Lastly, the status row 195.338.2464 blocks super 1.222U in bitmap. 215 pages, 8 kilobytes, 65,536 kilobytes chunk, provides valuable insights into your RAID setup. Each detail signifies the current state and configuration of your mirror disks. In conclusion, understanding the resync process and its nuances can help you navigate the noisy waters of setting up RAID arrays on HDDs. Remember, patience is key, and keeping an eye on the synchronization progress can save you from unnecessary worries. So that's a wrap for today. Remember to subscribe for more tech insights. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy syncing!